So guys, nandito kayo ang paranawon diri guys. It's a nice guy. Nice guy and place. So we're in the mountain now. Because one of my friends, she live here. Dagan ko siya mga kamanukan diri guys. Dapat guys. Yung mga manok diri guys. Oh my God! Oh my God! They're fighting! Hello, ilong-ilong ang ngayon. Ilong-ilong ang ngayon. So they can catch mga dogs, guys. Look at her dogs. She have 8 dogs. It's my friend. Who live in the mountain. So ini kayang place guys. Mo ni yung place diri guys. See? Morning yang she can own this lot. So nice. That's my friend Mildred and Marie-Pierre and Sweet. So Sweet, she's the owner of this lot. So big. Pinaka-nice na place guys. Look at guys. Look at the place. Nice. Very perfect. So perfect. It's the side view. Look at guys. It's nice. So cool. Wow. So nice guys, no? So for now we're in the province. And she had a lot of chickens. Look at her place, guys. Show you her place, guys. That's her place. And she had the biggest sunlight there. Ang kabukiran, layo ang kasakit, o layo ang kagutom. Layo jud ang kagutom diri guys, kay ngano bisag naa siya diri nagpuyo sa at top of the mountain. She have a lot of foods in her fridge. Wow, she stocks a lot of foods. She have a lot of live chickens. Oh my God. Wow. So nice. Si View. Nice. Sus, nice guy. There is very nice guy. Look at her house, guys. That's her house. That's my friend's house. So very cool. You can relax here, guys. Look at the place, guys. Oh my God. We're in the top of the mountain now. We visit her here. And she have a lot of dogs. 8 dogs. Oh my God. That's her dogs, guys. And that's my friend Marie-Pierre, Mildred, and Sweet. Sweet is she's the owner of this lot, and she live here. She have a big lot here. You can relax here. Wow. problems, you can relax. You're so cool. I love you. I love you so much. I love you so much. So much. Nice kayo Christmas. Lagi juga ka na isang yung place. My God. Very nice kayo yung place, guys. Sinaran ko dito. Naging pwedeng po standby. Nice kayo. I'm so fresh kayo. Very fresh. Problems, no, you can relax here, but I don't have problems, guys. I'm so happy with my life now. Sweet kayo mga dogs, guys. Nadadagan kayo mga chicken there, guys. Chickens. Yeah, it's a big dog. No lagi. Ano mga porma sa iro, guys, oh. Nagayahay lagi yung ginapa ay ang iro niya. Hug kayo.
Ay, ako di day. Oy, nausa ba to?
Oh, yes. Mga video na ni guys.
Video na? Okay, dili na nagkuhan mo ko.
Wala, okay ra ka ito, guys. Oh, hindi, ka-picture lang. Kain kaon sana all. Lamoy pa mo. Lami kayong kaon there's problems, guys. Sus, my God. Lalami lagi diri ay. Ito ay konday. Okay.
ate kay siya.
Ano mo to
Ano
pala
ba
si
makuha
Dalma?
din ni Swift saan yung masakyan ni?
So mo ni yung bahay guys. Yung bahay mo sa iyang kamanukan dito guys kani. Ay yung area guys yung kamanukan dito siya manok guys. Yang gibutangag niya. Yung mga manok mga chickens niya diha. I have chickens. Inside there. Naman yung house. Nawa yung place ayan. Kuan diri. Nahimutangan niya diri guys. For tinigluta yun guys. Nice kaayo. Nice kayang view guys. Nice kayang place. Nice kayang place guys. Guys, yung po mag-heart.